Hello everyone, this is Gruhini from Gruhinis World. Manchurian is made in wide variety of ways. Today I am gonna show you how to make quick and easy way of Manchurian recipe with this cute little baby corns, which taste even more delicious and would become your instant favorite. So let's get started. Friends, this juicy baby corn Manchurian is so tasty that you would feel you want more and more. So please do try this quick and easy recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Gruhinis World. And also, please provide your valuable feedback with me if you like this recipe. Thank you. Bye.